chicken in bulk. So my job this afternoon is to cut it down and get the tendons out of it and get it packaged for the freezer. So this is what the chicken breast looks like when it comes. So we're just going to cut it. These are some really thick breasts. We don't like really thick cuts of meat, so I cut it down this way to thin it out a little bit, and then I cut it this way. So this really stretches our meat as well. There's a little bit of a tendon left, and so that's what it looks like. You just repeat the process about 1,000 times.